Hi guys, this is Little Kid 77 here, and this is Simba, my plush toy Simba, and today I'm starting a new series called Simba's Adventures of Randomness, and this is the first episode. There's a second and a third too. I'm gonna make the fourth soon. But yeah. So this is Simba. This is just like my room, and this is where I got. I have Nala too, but I barely use Nala, and I have Stitch too. And he's stuck to a giraffe. Whatever. I have some birds. And yeah. And in this bin, I have like action figures. Like the hyenas. They actually look like dogs. I wonder if they're dogs or cats sometimes. Like, you don't know. Scar, Adult Simba, Pumbaa, Cub Simba, Nala, and Mufasa and Zazu, and Scar again. Rafiki holding Simba, Cub Simba. It's like the circle of life, whatever. But, I wish they made Bolt action figures, cause everyone like loves Bolt the dog. I don't have them though. That's the problem. No one got me yet for my birthday, so I'm hoping someone gets me him for my birthday. And I want mittens, and Rhino, and Coda too. I've never seen them in it, but I just want Coda. I'm gonna write on my board about I love lions, because I do love lions, even though I love all animals. Lions and Lion King. So I love lions and Lion King. I actually have like a lot of books about animals. Oh, and I also have a lava lamp. Look, see, it's a lava lamp. It's so cool. Whoa, it's hot. You wouldn't want to touch it. I have some fish. Hi, fishies. I have a lot of pets, so, yeah. I have a penguin book. I have a cat poster. Let's see. And then I also have Snowy, the dog. He looks like my dog. Where did Simba go? Oh, there he is. Okay. Now we're going over here. Oh, it smells bad in here. Of course, my cat just made a doo-doo, but wait a second. Just 1 second. yes. Anyways, that was not me. That was Simba. What the heck was that? That was Simba. He did that. That was not me. I went to the bathroom. Yeah, so this is 5 minutes long. I think I'm gonna go now because it's getting like late.